So looking at these pairs today, so on Saturday, just analyzing what went on this week. Of course, we started this week off with a nice continuation of that three-pin pattern. Then we bounced off this 4-hour level, retraced back into 1825 exactly, retested this three-pin pattern. As you can see, these 4-hour levels that we had there, retested it right there. Continued down back to equal lows, then gave us a nice double bottom, came back into this level, made a lower high, gave us a lower low there. Although, we haven't breached this level confidently, a place I will be looking to take a short from, place of interest for me personally, will be this level here. It will be 18 um, oh 08 exactly right here. As you can see, we were held there multiple times, and then it's even spiked into that level. If you just copy that, copy and paste that over into the lower time frame, what you can see is that level was what gave us the spike into the lower time frame right there. So maybe we can get, I don't know, maybe a spike into 1810 before falling, or we can just absolutely breach these lows and head lower. Then 1760 will be a lot closer. Unless there's a lot of dollar weakness, which I really am not sure where the dollar is going. I know that there is some Fed minutes next week, which I'll be looking forward to. Yeah, I think that's on Wednesday. Let me just look back for a sec. Oh no, I'm on the wrong one. Sorry. Yeah, there's FOMC press conference on Wednesday, so that'll be important for me to look at. Of course, home sales, durable goods. Highlight will be FOMC, and yeah, FOMC mainly on Wednesday. That might give us a sense of where the dollar is. But on this, I was looking for a long to take higher after this bounce. I didn't quite get the signal. I thought this was a signal here, but as we can see here, I thought this was a signal, which it was, to be fair, but it wasn't off of my level. What does that mean? That means that after we had the spike, the continuation, this wasn't off my level. What do I mean? Actually, that was a good trade. It was just my stop risk on the trade was too high, so it took me out before it triggered it because as you can see in the 30-minute time frame, we had bounced off of this level. Maybe we could have waited for a second tap, I guess, but after this first one and the second one bullish engulfing straight out of there, I was looking to take that and didn't quite get that, no problem. So on this week you can see we closed bearish, but we are still aware of this level right here, and that is something we'll be watching to see how that plays out. One medium term level we can watch is for me 1785. 1785 will be my next point on call in there. And if we do breach that, I'm looking for 1763. See how that plays out next week. GU, what happened on GU? So GU, we had a nice break out of this level. After this was just like I said last week. We just ran out of time on this. So then we crashed, of course. I was then waiting for a semi low risk bullish candle to take this out, and then I got it right there. Then I didn't take it, but I saw this, and now I was looking for the short, which I didn't quite get, but now I'm more interested in it to see that pound weakness follow through if we can get that. One thing I noticed is I'm not as comfortable with this price I am with GJ. Because look at this. You see this weakness here? I saw this exact same, the same, well, not the exact same, but the same kind of weakness on GJ right here. And I was ready to take this short. This candle here, but on this one here, that was fairly weak. Look at that. That was a fairly weak candle. Where's that at? Oops, nope. That is not what I'm talking about. MGU. That was a fairly weak candle. As you can see, look how we retreated from the lows, but I hesitated to take that. That's on me. I did not follow my rules. If you see a weak daily candle, not a full bullish candle like that, but weak, something of that nature. So on GU, of course, we had that upward lift up, classic consolidation, retested the consolidation structure low, retest again, third spike, take it up nicely. Personally, my take profit on that first target will have been this level here on the 4 hour time frame, and then on the higher time frame right there. But I would have been happy with the first one. I didn't get that problem. This unfortunately was on Wednesday, so I could not stay up the night before to get this trade. But let's start with what happened this week. Of course, ran out of time, had that nice breaker structure, continued to make lower lows. The key thing to note is we stopped at this level here. So for me, I feel like this weekly level is what is holding us before the great drop to reconcile all of this madness that happened in the first quarter of the year. All that madness needs to be reconciled. Let's see if we get that before, or does GJ try to break above pre-Brexit levels again? That we should find an answer to. So on this, I saw the doji on the 4 hour. You can see what that was, pretty much just a trap sell move and just pick us back up nicely. Nice confluence of tapping the weekly there. 148.5 was also a nice confluence. Was looking to take this higher. Had the nice bullish engulfing on the 30-minute. Everything was lining up to the T. The only problem for me was what? I wasn't here to take it. Why was that? Oh, I'll give you two reasons. Because I was incapacitated. What does that mean? I was asleep. Easy question. I missed the trade because I was asleep. On here, then we pretty much just ascended to the highs. It doesn't look to be stopping anytime for me. Daily, I still like this. If I can see a nice short opportunity tomorrow, maybe I might take it. Get a nice tap into it, rejection. We'll see. But for now, this was a nice retest. For those who use Fib, if you put this from low to high, you can see that we are still in that zone. So anything can still happen. We can still get as high as 152.5. But for me, I am bearish on this for next week. But that is essentially what happened this week. I'll see you guys tomorrow, actually.